Hi everybody, today I'm just going to show you a quick video about how to use your computer and the camera in it to take a picture. So let's get started. We're going to go right up here to this little magnifying glass right here, and you are going to type in photo booth. It starts to pop up right there. Click on photo booth. Hi, now you can take a picture. So what I'm going to do is if I had a picture for my teacher, I could hold it up just like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to push this right here and take a picture. Perfect. Picture taken. Now, I'm going to take this right here and drag it to my desktop. There's my picture. I'm going to close out of my photo booth. And now I'm going to go into my assignment where I need to submit. So like somebody said their art project they couldn't submit. So I'm going to click on my art project. I'm going to click submit assignment. I'm going to click choose file. And I know my photo that I just took. I'm just going to click that right there. I see my photo right here. And I'm going to click open. And I see that my photo that I just took right now is right there, and I'm going to click Submit Assignments. And that's all you have to do to submit a photo with your computer. Hope that helped. Bye, everybody.